What's the most Kenyan thing about me? I struggle with keeping time.
That's a classy one.
Yeah.
I struggle with keeping time, you know.
When do you feel the most beautiful?
Eh? Wait?
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Niko very sane. Si believe na yo. I don't believe in love at first sight. Jokes zako zinaduka. The first thing I do when I wake up,
Say good morning to my wife, and then I go to the washroom.
and stay for 1 hour.
What is the most Kenyan thing about you? I think we can start with Mr. Moji.
I struggle with keeping time. Sometimes. It's a struggle.
That's a classy one.
Yeah.
I struggle with keeping time, you know.
But I keep it.
Hey. Yeah, what do you call them? Like the sounds I make in between sentences. I'm like, wow, 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 wow. Hey, at a say. Yeah, so sometimes I'm on a call at work. And then, because I work with guys from outside. And then I say something and I'm like, but they didn't understand that.
Wait?
Describe your style in 3 words.
My style is it's casual, it's street style. It's it's mostly monochrome, blacks, blues, plain. Haina manini mingi, haina mambo mingi. And it's not too nasemaje. Yeah, it's just that. It's street style, but it's simple.
Kama yeye.
Tunafanana hapa. Kama P Square.
Nadi place.
P Square.
What is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
Wewe unanikauasha humidifier.
Carlos kuwasha. Unafaa kuwasha jokes zako zinaduka. The first thing I do when I wake up is I make my bed. No, I talk to Alexa. That's my babe. Yeah.
Unaona hapo umejitwinga ukisema hito. Akona sana. Say good morning to my wife, and then I go to the washroom.
And stay for 1 hour.
We can scroll through. Devotional.
Who is your favorite rapper internationally?
Lacre.
Nilijua tu utasema Lacre. Nilijua. Hata tungebet.
Sema tu Drake.
I'll say, ni Drake. Wait. Oh, what? Najua. Oh.
Nilijua uko Drake. Although, you know, love kwake bana. Anapitia love like that.
Ni Drake.
Yeah, Drake.
Oh damn. Okay, so.
That's your damn. What is that reaction?
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah, man, like the first time I saw Smocha, I was just like, man.
Bill.
Hiyo, nipe hiyo. Unajua, shana kula kitu kwa hoteli. Uko like, what do you want? Unaona ile ule jamaa anakula, nipe hiyo. But in terms of love, dating life, romantic life, I don't know. I don't love at first sight. I don't know. I'm not sure. Because I think unaweza ona mtu alafu akuje tu aseme mwambie haya, akola bari yako.
Hey, you see, you love at first sight.
I'm just saying, like, sight is very not here or there. Yeah.
No, like I've had the Lulu moments before, but nowadays Niko very sane. Si believe na yo. I don't believe in love at first sight.
What's that one thing you will never ever wear?
Kitenge.
Nino, hizi nguo zinaandikwa Gucci.
Ai, si ulikuwa nazo kashikwa dogo.
Adibas.
Zile za mabati.
Unajua na Adidas, Gucci, Nickel.
What is your favorite app right now?
The M-Pesa app.
For reals. Facts. Instagram.
Why?
I'm always there. That's my workplace.
Yeah. What does a typical weekend look like for you?
It looks like church. Looks like events here and there. Looks like family and friends.
That sound wholesome. A typical weekend. Hey, sinika yenye nakuja kesho. It's like an event June kesho, Saturday. And then Sunday take drives alone. Yeah. So it's like noise, then cancellation. Yeah.
Nice.
Kama headphones.
Get smart man.
Would you rather be indoors or outdoors?
Funny enough, half of the people even in this room will not believe me, but I'd rather be indoors. Yeah.
Kaya yako indoors, mimi niko outdoors basi. But I'm an indoors person for sure. Yeah.
My last question. When do you feel the most beautiful?
Par.
Same I'm saying.
Hey, most
Slow is
beautiful.
yours, bro.
I don't feel like that's an emotion I get. I do feel like strikingly handsome sometimes. Like when my hair is out. Like right now, it's out.
It's just you can't to me the word beautiful, but
You're beautiful.
I think after nimetoka tu kwa kinyozi tu hivi yani. Feeling ilikaa maisha yangu imechange.
Hey, keep blew you through the wind.
Yeah. And you gotta do kwa mfuko. Yeah, there's something about hard cash. Shana wa look at for hard cash. Got to like unahesabia do. Yaani uko na do mob unahesabia chini ya meza.
Ndani ya mfuko.
Unaogopa kutoa juu. Sasa utakuwa proud ukihesabia juu, so like so what's the deal? I see that. Hiyo feeling ni poa.
That's a beautiful thing.
Yeah. But you know the most Christianist thing nikasema at his presence.
Hey.
I feel beautiful at the feet of Jesus. That's also true.
What's the most amount of money you've ever held?
At a time. I think Said you are 8 teams now.
Help for someone.
Pulse after the set. Ishashika no more, I think. Yeah. Besti yangu fulani. Yuko na bureau. So aliambia. Nishike doa cup. So ishashika no more.
Yeah. See, na mimi si wabishta yako, mimi sina biro. Kaya mimi hata pesa sishikangi.
Atujui na kaje. Yeah, shout out to Obese yangu. Shout out to Omari.
Yeah, go look for him.
Ulikuwa ikilia kanambia mshike hii bali yake.